Hi, this is Vrishali and you are watching Vrishali Classes YouTube channel. Quadratic equation. This is one of the most important chapter of mathematics of standard 10. So in this video, we are going to start this chapter, that is quadratic equation. Now the first thing, what is the meaning of quadratic equation? So which equation we consider as quadratic equation? How we exactly express this quadratic equation? Means what is the standard form of writing this quadratic equation? As we have one big chapter of this quadratic equation, there are many questions like solve the given quadratic equation. So what is the meaning of solving these equations? Solving these equations means what exactly we have to do. Okay, when we solve, we find the roots. So what are the roots of this equation? That also we are going to check. Whether all the quadratic equations have these roots, means whether root exists for all the quadratic equations. If no, why? And if yes, why? And how to find those roots. So we are going to study all these points of this chapter, quadratic equations, but not in one single video, because quadratic equation is a vast chapter which cannot be completed in just one video. So for that we are going to make series of few videos. So to get the updates of all the important videos which we are going to upload regarding this important chapter, that is quadratic equations, what you have to do? Subscribe our channel. Please check whether you have subscribed or no. If not yet, please do press the subscribe button. So now let's start with this important chapter, that is quadratic equation. So the very first question, which equation is considered as quadratic equation? The equation in which the highest degree of the variable is 2 is considered as quadratic equation. Now for example, x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation because highest degree is 2. 9x square is equal to 36. Yes, even this equation is quadratic equation because we have variable x and highest degree is 2. Let us check one more example. 3x square minus 4x is equal to 0. Yes, even this is quadratic equation. Highest degree is 2. Now all these three equations are different, but all of them are quadratic equation. So what is the standard form? So how to express any quadratic equation in a standard form? So the standard form of expressing this equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of expressing the quadratic equation, and one condition applies here, that a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a value is 0, then this x square term will go off. It will get cancelled. It will be 0. And we will be left only with bx plus c equal to 0, which is no more the quadratic equation, but it becomes the linear equation. So the condition is a is not equal to 0. Now in this first case, x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. In this case, a is 1, b is 7 and c is 10. Now in the second equation, x square term is there, x term is not there. Means in this second example, b is 0. In third example, we have x square term, we have x term, but constant term is not there. So in this third example, c is 0. So here starts the first type of question based on this chapter, that is write the given equation in standard form. Write the given equation in standard form and write the values of a, b and c. So let us solve only two examples of writing the values of a, b and c. First example, 3x square minus 8x is equal to 7. Now always when the question is to write the values of A, B and C, always you have to write the given equation in the standard form first. Standard form is what? We have to bring all the terms on LHS and RHS, we have to make it 0. So here 3x square minus 8x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now our equation is in standard form. Standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare this with this example. Here value of a is 3, b is minus 8 and c is minus 7. That's it. Let's check one more example. 4x square is equal to 100. 4x square is equal to 100. Okay. Let us bring all the terms on LHS. 4x square minus 100 is equal to 0. Now in this case, if we compare this with our standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 4. Now here we don't have x term. This means b is 0 and c is equal to minus 100. So this is how we have to write the given equation in standard form and then compare it with this our general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then note down the values of a, b and c. So this is one simple question which is asked in your exam. Now let us move to one more type of question. They will give you one equation and ask you to check whether the given equation is quadratic equation or no. Or they will give you 4 options and check which of the following is quadratic equation. So now let us check 2 examples of this type. Now we have to check whether the given equation is quadratic equation or no. So in this case, first example, 2x square plus 4x is equal to x square minus 9x plus 8. Okay. First thing what we have to do, bring all the terms on LHS. 2x square plus 4x, shift all these terms on LHS, minus x square plus 9x minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us check for like terms to simplify. 2x square minus x square is x square. 4x plus 9x is 13x minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the quadratic equation because we have x square term. Check for square term. Square term must be there, then and only then the equation is quadratic equation. Let us check one more example. X plus 4 the whole square is equal to x square plus 9. Let us solve this. X plus 4 whole square. Hope all of you are perfect in identities. If not, you can check our video which is based on the identities. So here we will apply our identity a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. X square plus 8x plus 16 is the expansion of this bracket x plus 4 the whole square is equal to x square plus 9. Let us bring all the terms on LHS. X square plus 8x plus 16 minus x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Here x square and x square means x square and minus x square, it gets cancelled. So what are the remaining terms here? 8x plus 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, that is plus 7, is equal to 0. Now in this case, we don't have the square term. We are only left with 8x plus 7. Means this is not the quadratic equation. So whatever equations they give, simplify it, check it whether x square term exists or no. If it exists in the standard form, means in the simplified form, then say yes, the given equation is quadratic equation. If you don't find the square term, then say the given equation is not the quadratic equation. So this is just a simple thing, how to find the values of a, b and c, and how to check whether the given equations are quadratic or no. Now as I said, so many things are there to explain in this chapter, and it is not possible to explain all the things in one video. So the next part, that is, what is the meaning of solving the quadratic equation, what are the different methods, whether it is possible to solve each and every quadratic equation, all these things will be explained in our upcoming videos. So be in touch and please do share these videos among your friends and my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video.